How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to suppress profiles in Klaviyo. And one of the reasons why you might want to suppress profiles in Klaviyo is essentially cleaning your email list. So you want to make sure your email lists are cleaned and healthy. And you can check out this video where I talk about how to clean your email list on autopilot. I'm also going to be linking that video in the description. So basically, when you clean your email list, this is going to this is going to keep your email list healthy, and also to make sure that you are sending emails to engage profiles alone. Another reason for suppressing profiles in Klaviyo is that in Klaviyo you're only paying for active profiles and not the suppressed profiles, right? So instead of sending emails or having all these people who are not engaging with you, instead of having them in your email list, so you can actually suppress unengaged profiles, and that will ensure that you are not paying for profiles that are not engaging with your emails. I hope that is clear enough. Again, you can also watch the video where I talk about how to clean your email list on autopilot. True. So let's say I want to suppress people in these unengaged as true profiles, right? So I'm just going to click on that, and the next thing I want to do is I want to click on manage segment and export segment to CSV. So here I can just leave it as it is, just leave it as email, and click on start export. So this is going to download this segment to your computer. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add to your profile. So click on profiles at the left here, and click on view suppressed profile. So and you can now import that list you downloaded to your computer now. So the CSV file, you can just click on that, and that will upload it on this suppression list, and you can just proceed with the suppression from. So that's how to suppress profiles in your Klaviyo. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below, or shoot me a message on Instagram at growwithabib on Instagram. I hope you find this video valuable, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.